Hey guys, it's Jackie O Toys again, and we're just going to be doing an experiment on glue and borax to see if it'll still make slime.
Yeah, because all that stuff seems like it's unnecessary. So we have a little tiny bit of glue left there at the bottom. And I'm just going to take me a little teaspoon of this guy named Borax. And I'm going to put it inside here and see what happens.
I'm playing with my slime.
Here it comes. Oh, girls, I'm putting it in. No. And then I'm going to shake it.
And if you didn't see, this is the slime I made
in
my last video.
So, alright, so just glue and borax is nothing. So, now we're going to add a little water and see what happens. Oh, but then it'll be stuck inside the jar. In there, but we can cut it open. Here. Okay, so, ooh, it is. It's slime. It's slime. You don't need all that other junk like shaving cream and blah blah blah. Here, we're gonna put it in this bowl.
All those other people tell you need lotion, you need shaving cream, you need help. That's what you need. Cause all
Be
you
nice. Ah, look, it's a big blob. I can't get it out because it's a big blob.
You know what you can do? Get a knife and cut it.
Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna cut the bottle and we'll get it out.
While you're gonna entertain them with my big blob of green slime.
Yeah, that was the slime we made in the last video.
It's Slime Wars.
Luckily, this is
My gun, my slimy gun is floppy.
Let's not turn this into a lady cuts her hand off video.
Lady cuts her hand off.
Fail.
I'm holding her.
Okay.
Slimy.
Okay, so I've cut the plastic open, and this is what happened when I mixed just borax and glue and a little water. Look, it's slimy, but it is not stretchy, is it? Let's see. It's kind of breaky. So I guess there is something that we need for the stretch. What do you think it is?
I know.
What is it?
The Colgate. Shaving cream. Or maybe you add a little lotion. Maybe that's what it means. Because see how it's like crunchy and kind of like, here I'll show you guys a piece.
It's
like
too chunky.
It's chunky and like, see it.
Let me do this. My hands are slippery. Alright, let's see. I think my experiment failed because
This is a failed experiment.
it should have ended up, we should have done it in the beginning out of the shaving cream. Oh well. So, I guess you can't just mix borax and glue unless you just want a chunk of squishy slime that doesn't stretch. It did get squishy like this, like a big chunk.
That's probably the stuff they might have put in stress balls and stuff like that. Like, that's what you can put in stress balls.
Yeah, maybe. Wait a minute to do this. Let's see. Ooh, just for fun. Let's add another borax and see what happens. Ew. Oh, look. Nothing happened.
Maybe a little more of that.
Nope. We're done.
Okay, so subscribe even though this was a fail. So,
Add this to the world famous video of the fail.
yeah. And so, bye guys. See you next video.